This is Coastal Camp Citrus 2025. We're at Three Sisters Springs in Citrus County.
It's very cool. It's crystal clear. I'm able to see everything. It's cool to see the fish that are down there in the springs too.
Our theme this year is the interconnectedness between the springs and the Gulf, covering aspects of the springs in terms of water quantity, water quality, and how the water flowing downstream through our rivers feeds into our estuaries, which makes them more productive. We've had students from our region in middle school, grades 6th, 7th, and 8th, as well as high school kids 9th through 12th, and we've had around 120 kids over the course of 3 weeks of camp.
This week at Coastal Camp Citrus has been interactive and fun.
We're going to be collecting some water quality samples here on the outside of Three Sisters Springs. We'll be collecting the water temperature, the dissolved oxygen content, the pH, the salinity, and the turbidity to assess the health of the water.
8.0.
This week at Coastal Camp Citrus has been very educational. I've learned so much about species, water conservation, the types of grass, and the animals that are affected by what goes on in the rivers and water.
What I'm learning about water quality and protecting the springs and water is how to conserve water, like taking shorter showers, how to conserve water and how to protect the springs when we're swimming around, like not kicking up the bottom.
Since the early 1980s, the Southwest Florida Water Management District has helped fund Coastal Camp Citrus. With that funding from the Water Management District, we're able to offer our summer programming as well as regular field trip programming throughout the regular school year here in Citrus County at no cost to those students during the regular school year. Students will be seeing some of the work that's been done by the district here at Three Sisters Springs to restore our shorelines and protect the spring vents, which are at the bottom.
We learned a lot about helping the springs and keeping them healthy because they provide a lot for the seagrass and the grass that's in the river, which also helps the manatees.
For us to be able to get these kids out into their local waterways is going to help them when they are studying these issues in school and in life as a grown-up citizen.